Picture this. You wake up one morning, sunlight streaming through your window, ready to start your day with a hot breakfast, a walk in the park, or sometime in your garden. But when you try to get out of bed, your legs feel heavy, weak, like they can't hold you up. Standing in a struggle, and a scary thought hits you. Am I losing control of my life? This is not just a bad morning, it's the quite fear so many people have about getting older. It's not about gray hair or wrinkles, it's about losing the ability to move freely, to live on your own terms, to feel strong. Your muscles are fading, not with a loud warning, but slowly, silently, until you are stuck in your own home relying on others for simple things. What if I told you there's a way to fight back? There's one simple, affordable food, more powerful than eggs, better than most supplements, that can rebuild your muscles and give you back your strength. Especially if you are over 50, most people overlook it, not knowing it. Hold a secret that could decide whether you age strong and free or slip into weakness. Today, I am going to show you what's stealing your strength and share the best weapon to stop it. Not eggs, not meat, not protein shakes, but something that works better for rebuilding muscles. Before we start, let's connect. Have you ever worried about your legs feeling weak? Just comment yes or no below. We were in this together and sharing helps us feel less alone. If this feels like it's speaking to you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Stick with me because I am not just telling you about a food, I am giving you a simple daily plan to turn your body from weak and worn out to strong and steady even while you sleep. This is not just about one tough morning. Something's happening inside your body, a silent attack on your strength. As you get older, your muscles can waste away, a condition called sarcopenia. You might think eating lots of protein like chicken or eggs will keep you strong, but here's the truth. Even if you eat tons of protein, your muscles might still shrink. I know it's surprising. Many people eat protein but still have weak arms, shaky legs, or take forever to recover from small efforts. Why? Because protein alone is not enough. It's like bringing bricks to a construction site but having no workers to build the house. Your body needs more than just the material, it needs the team to put it together. Your muscles are like a house being built. Protein is the bricks, but your body's works, enzymes, and hormones have to do the building. If those workers are slow or missing, the bricks just sit there and your strength doesn't grow. Three hidden problems cause this, and we need to understand them to fight back. First, your digestion might be slowing down. Starting in your 40s, your stomach makes less acid, which you need to break protein into tiny pieces called amino acids that your muscles use. You might not feel this, but it's happening. Without enough acid, even a juicy steak or protein shake doesn't help much. It just sits in your stomach, causing bloating or discomfort instead of building muscles. Your pancreas might also make fewer enzymes which help digest protein and fats. Ever feel tired or heavy after eating meat? That's not the meat, it's your digestion struggling. This blocks your body from using the protein you eat. Second, your hormones might be out of balance, especially cortisol, the stress hormone. As you age, cortisol can rise, especially if you are stressed or not sleeping well. Too much cortisol breaks down your muscles, especially in your legs and butt, which you need to walk and stay balanced. At the same time, your body might not respond well to insulin, a hormone that helps move amino acids into your muscles. This means you lose muscles and gain fat, leading to that skinny fat look, thin arms and legs, but a soft belly. It's frustrating, like your body is working against you. Third, your liver might be tired. Your liver is like your body engine. It's make enzymes, control blood sugar and turns amino acids into fuel for your muscles. But if it's overloaded with junk food, sugar or toxin, it slows down and so does your ability to build muscle. A tired liver can't keep up, leaving you weaker even if you eat healthy. These three problems, slow digestion, hormone trouble, and a tired liver, are quietly stealing your strength no matter how much protein you eat. Now, let's talk about the fix, the one food that can beat all three problems and bring your strength back. It's not eggs, chicken, or protein shakes, it's bone broth, especially grass fed beef bone broth protein powder. I call it the glue of life. You might think bone broth is just for soothing your stomach, but it's so much more. One scoop has 15 to 20 grams of protein, way more than an egg, which has about 6 grams. But it's not just about protein. Moon broth has special amino acid, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline that act like glue, holding your muscles, tendons, and ligaments together. Regular protein foods like eggs or meat give you the bricks, but without the glue, your muscles can't stay strong or connected. That's why so many people over 50 feel weak even when they eat enough protein. They are missing this glue that keeps everything together. Here's why bone broth is so powerful. First, it's easy to digest. It's already broken down into tiny pieces. So, even if your stomach acid is low, your body can use it without trouble. This solves the digestion problem. Second, it doesn't mess with your hormones like some protein powder do. It keeps your insulin steady so your body can burn fat and build muscles at the same time, fixing the hormone problems. Third, it it's packed with glycine, which lower inflammation and helps your liver work better. This takes care of the tired liver problem. Research proves it. A 2015 study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed older men who used collagen peptides like in bone broth with exercise built more muscles and strength than those who didn't. I have seen it myself with patients like John, a 72-year-old who could barely walk because his knees hurt. I told him to drink bone broth every night. 3 months later, he was back to fishing, not for a doctor's visit, but to show off his new strength. Bone broth is not just filling up bricks. It's making the whole wall stronger, giving your body what it's missing. There's one more secret to making this glue work even better, an amino acid called leucine. Leucine is like the key that starts your muscles building engine. It's one of 9 amino acids your body can't make. You have to get it from food. Leucine doesn't just help build muscle, it tells your body to start building by turning on a pathway called mTOR. When mTOR is on, your body makes new muscles instead of breaking it down. But here's the problem, as you age, your muscles don't respond to the leucine as well. This is called anabolic resistance. and it's a big reasons older people lose muscle. You need more leucine, about 2.5 to 3 grams per meal to get the same muscle building boost younger people get with less. One egg has only 0.5 grams of leucine, so you would need 5 or 6 eggs to hit that mark. Bone broth is not loaded with leucine, but it helps your body use leucine from other foods like meat or eggs by improving digestion and liver function. It's like clearing the road so the delivery truck can get through. When you eat, protein matters just as much as what you eat. Your body doesn't build muscles when you are active, it builds during rest, especially deep sleep when growth hormones is highest. But many people mess this up by eating their biggest meal early, skipping dinner or snacking on sugary stuff at night. This causes two issues: no amino acids when your body needs them most, and sugar spikes that blocks growth hormones and fat burning. The solution: think of your body as a construction site. Daytime is a busy, lots of noise and distraction. Nighttime is when the real building happen, but only if you give your workers the right materials. Drinking bone broth before bed with its slow digestion protein and glycine keeps your body supplied with glue for overnight repairs. Studies show eating protein before sleep boosts muscles building and overall health. Here is your simple daily plan to fight muscle loss and rebuild strength. Start your morning between 7 and 9 a.m. Get 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight to lower stress and wake up your body. Drink a glass of water with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon to stay hydrated, and add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to help digestion. Move a little. 10 minutes of fast walking or stretching to get your blood flowing. Between noon and 2 p.m. Eat a meal with 20 to 30 grams of healthy protein like salmon or chicken, plus low carbs veggies like broccoli or kale, and good fats like olive oil or avocado. This gives you your breaks. Then do 15 to 30 minutes of strength exercise, push-ups, squats, or light weights, moving slowly to tell your muscles to grow. In the evening, eat a light dinner with steamed veggies and some protein. About 1 to 2 hours before bed, drink a scoop of bone broth protein powder mixed with warm water and a pinch of cinnamon, or a cup of homemade bone broth. This fuels your body's nighttime repairs. Avoid screens before bed to help your body make growth hormones, and try to sleep by 10:30 p.m. for the best rest. This is not just about one food, it's about knowing what's going wrong. Muscles loss is not just aging, it's slow digestion, hormone problem, and tired liver stopping your body from using protein right. Bone broth fixes these by being easy to digest, kind to your hormone, and good for your liver. Leucine turns on muscle building, but you need 2.5 to 3 grams per meal. Eating protein before bed helps your body rebuild while you sleep. Start tonight. Mix a scoop of bone broth protein with warm water, add a pinch of cinnamon, and drink it 90 minutes before bed. Do 5 to 10 minutes of stretching or deep breathing, then sleep. You might notice better rest and more energy. This is how you start. Small steps done every day. Is if this helps, gives a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your country in the comments. Let's see where your immunity is fighting from. You don't need pills or magic, just knowledge, small habits, and the right tools. You can beat this. Your strengths, your freedom, your life, they are worth it.